pivots the wrong way. Hi guys. Welcome to the new vlog.
What are they speaking? Spanish.
Go and watch this.
Oh my god.
Look, the whole thing moves. This is for pots and pans or spices or whatever. I don't know, but it's really cool. I just want to show the world this. From the one in Austin.
Yeah, this one, the one in Dallas has 2 stories. That's why I'm confused.
Where's this go? How's this work?
You just order it there. It goes through.
Alright, you go then. Should we get a tray? Alright, Gabe, what'd you get?
I got a blackberry walnut salad.
Oh, that looks good.
I think that's blue cheese.
Did you smell it?
Not sure.
What are you drinking?
Don't know what it's called. It's like a cranberry, raspberry, sparkling drink. Half the sugar.
And for dessert?
No, we got a chocolate bar. Dark chocolate.
Mmm.
And some creamy Caesar dressing.
Is that Newman's Own?
Huh?
What is that?
It is Newman's Own.
My boy, always killing
That
it.
is Caesar.
Himself?
The man.
Alright, and I just got the Swedish meatballs, the classics. And then I got a salmon wrap that looks so good. Alright, yeah, and I got lingonberry soda too. Let's take a bite of this food wrap. Did I say food wrap? I meant salmon wrap. It's good though. It's got rosemary, I think. It's got some arugula, I think. You let me know. Do you want to be a YouTuber or not? I don't know if you're committed to this, Gabe. I don't know if you're ready.
I have a full-time job.
That sounds like a quitter to me. Delicioso. Alright, now let's try the meatballs. Get some of the gravy, get the cranberry sauce. Oh. Still good.
It's like soft. Oh, it's like travel fest. Am I just a dumbass?
Don't answer that. Yes.
I said don't answer.
Sorry.
Sorry.
hit me with that fucking bag and see what. Can you hurry up? I'm trying to get this video rolling.
Give me a minute.
I'm already 1 minute into the video. Alright. Okay, where did we go today?
We went to Ikea in Live Oak. We live in Helotes, Texas, so it was like a 40-minute drive.
It was 30, I checked. What did you get? Because you bought it.
Hey. No, it's okay. I'm about to hit the fuck out of a car. Maybe they're taking something off.
Damn. Bad timing on our part.
I like how I look right at her. Oh, so the other dumbass that didn't know our part. I got a little candle holder.
Okay. What else?
A little duffel bag, so whenever I go, spend the night outside.
And
I bought 100
candles. 100
single candles. That's the candle holder.
Literally all he bought. There's nothing else in here.
And the reusable bag. I bought the bag.
We came here for candles, pretty much. We drove 40 minutes for candles. We still have to drive back too.
And it's about to it's about to be traffic too.
All right, guys. So that was the haul. See y'all later.
So some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. It ain't you, baby. I got you, baby. That's all I have.
That's all we want.